Hey guys, welcome to our next video. So we're gonna do a Tagalog challenge, but like with a little bit of flour. So yeah.
Question number 1. Is there nothing cheaper? Hi, Tam. Make it in, translate it in Tagalog.
Meron bang
Is there nothing cheaper?
Just face your fate.
meron bang
Just face your fate.
meron bang
1. I'll count under 5. 2,
Face your fate.
3, 4. Oh my God!
Bro, became white.
Okay. Hisham,
What?
you.
uh,
Is there nothing cheaper?
Yeah, I'm not even gonna try.
So, why you did not try?
what
Nah.
the fuck?
Okay, the Tagalog for that is wala bang mas mura. Oh my God! So, I will give you a very simple question. Hisham, I need time to think.
Ito, sa kabulugin nito.
Bigyan mo ako ng oras para mag-isip.
Wrong.
Huh?
You put him in the arena.
No,
No, wrong.
Huh?
How's that wrong?
Okay, hi Tam. I need time to think. I need time to think.
Kailangan ako ng oras para mag-isip.
Oh, okay.
Dayo!
Yay!
I literally said that earlier!
No, the way you translate is
Ako,
different. Oh.
What do you mean translate is different?
Hi Tam will be the one to put. Yeah, remove
It was
some.
the exact-
Remove something. Okay, next.
It was the exact same.
Okay. My dad
Yeah, I'm not playing
are
myself.
in abroad. My dad is working in abroad. Okay, hi Hisham.
Why is it always me?
Okay, you. My dad is working in abroad.
Wait, is there a Tagalog word for abroad? I don't think so.
There is a
Ah.
Tagalog word for abroad.
Akyat bayan.
Hindi.
Ang aking ama ay nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa.
Oh, very good.
Oh!
Very good. Okay, hi Tam. We eat together. Very easy.
Kumain kami.
Okay, go.
Kumain kami sabay-sabay.
Wrong.
Sabay-sabay na!
No. Close your eyes. Hisham, kumain kami ng... okay, wrong.
What do
Okay,
you mean
sorry.
wrong? You just-
Next. Hisham,
I'm totally gonna dominate.
you're in the hospital. You passed out.
I retract my statement. Nandun ka sa hospital kasi... What is the Tagalog version of a... faint?
What? Wrong. Sige,
What?
ano mo?
No!
Wrong.
No, wait! I was on them!
Okay, hi Tom.
I wasn't
Okay,
done!
hi Tom, you. You're in a hospital. You passed out. 1.
Ah?
You're in a hospital. You passed out.
I was asking for makeup, not this.
1.
I've never...
2.
Ay, balik.
You're in hospital. You
Hey, no
passed
chances.
out. No, this is the only
Huh?
chance. Last chance. You're in a hospital. You passed out.
Bro, if this is how makeup feels for girls,
nandyan ka sa bahay na sa
Bahay! Hospital! May hospital bang bahay?
Wait a minute, translate in
Okay.
Tagalog. What
Okay,
is
very easy.
No, wait. What is the Tagalog term for
The
passed out?
Tagalog,
bahay sakit.
nasa ospital ka,
Hindi yan.
hinamatay ka.
Ha? Nang hinamatay?
Hinimatay ka. You passed out.
Limatay.
Hinamatay?
Next, very easy. You are in a clinic. Hisham.
Klinik.
Very easy. You're in a clinic.
Wait, clinic doesn't have a Tagalog
Oh,
term.
what does there have a Tagalog? There is a Tagalog for clinic. 1,
I'm pretty sure it's not clinica.
2.
Wait, maybe it is. Nandun ka sa klinika.
Okay, consider.
Wait,
Okay.
technically correct is the best kind. Correct?
The best grammar is nasa klinika ka. At least it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. At least I consider,
I
okay?
look like
Hi, Tam. Hi, Tam.
the other version of Joker.
No, it's okay. At least, you know. Okay, hi, Tam. There at the back.
Nandun sila sa likod.
Okay, consider. Nasa likod sila. Okay, I consider it. Okay, good job.
No?
Next.
Bro, I'm supposed to be in senior high school.
Yeah. Okay, next.
Like
Please forgive me now.
Wait
Hisham.
a minute. I've heard that sentence in a movie before.
Okay? 1.
Repeat the sentence.
Oh, sorry.
Patawarin mo na ako!
Oh.
Woo! Yes!
No, because I stated it in Tagalog. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do it again, Hisham. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do it again.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not going to do it again.
Does sorry count as pasensya? If it does, pasensya, hindi ko na ulitin.
Okay.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
The correct one is...
Oh yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
Pasensya ka na, hindi ko na uulitin. But it's
Still
okay, I
counts.
consider.
Technically
Anyway,
correct
you're
is
not really
the
good
best
in
kind of correct.
Tagalog, but at least. Haita, very easy.
This is like makeup for men.
Yeah.
No, it's
Right
not
down.
making for men, it's
Okay.
making for women.
Close the door as you leave. Very easy. Close the door as you leave.
I'm totally not cleaning this up.
Close the door as
Close.
you leave.
Close.
Close the door as you leave.
Bro, I feel like the white dude from Creepypasta.
Sira mo.
No.
What will do? You have to go back from grade 1. You don't know 60 pesos in Tagalog? Okay. Give me 60 pesos. 1.
6 kaliwang 10.
Wrong.
What?
Wrong.
Six
What the hell?
Okay, Hisham, you.
I look like
Give me 60 pesos. Hisham.
Oh my god, I'm white.
Bigyan mo ako ng ika-nimpot peso.
Wrong.
What?
Ika-anim po. Hi, Tam. Wrong. Your
Wala
figure
mo.
is wrong.
Tatlo.
Wrong.
Ha?
Wrong.
Iskaliwang patlong.
Wrong. It's wrong.
What?
Okay, you put him in the arena. So, the correct answer is, bigyan mo ako ng 60 piso.
Anim na put!
No.
It's the same!
No. It's wrong.
What do you mean?
Wrong.
No, it's the same!
Okay.
I
Here.
learned that in Filipino.
No.
Nah, I'm not taking
Okay.
that L. No way.
Okay, next.
It's not my
Do you
fault.
know the
Here.
crying? Do you know the crying kid earlier? Okay, next.
Huh?
I'm gonna go first.
Very
For
cheap,
redemption?
this is very easy.
No, the other one, the first one. I'll take the redemption card.
Okay. Find the documents at home.
documents.
Find the documents at home.
No,
Hisham.
the other one.
I
The first one.
No, that's the question. Okay, Hisham first. Hisham first. Okay, height ma'am, if you want to volunteer. Find the documents at home. One.
Pangitain.
Okay, Hisham.
Hanapin mo yung dokumento. Hanapin mo yung dokumento sa question.
Find the documents at home.
Hanapin mo yung dokumento sa
Dokumento.
dokumento sa at home.
Oh, you don't know at
Sa
home?
bahay.
Okay, good. Actually,
Yes.
it's papeles, but
That
okay,
sounds
I consider.
It's so hot.
Okay,
You're so hot.
Are you gay?
next.
Exactly. I don't want to be labeled as gay. No.
I love to play. ML. Hisham.
Gusto kong maglalaro ng email.
Okay. Gusto, it's supposed to be good. I love. Gusto
Mahal
ko.
ko.
Mahal ko.
Ay,
But it's
mahal.
okay. Consider. It's consider. Okay.
Bro, imagine if this
Let
was
me
on
put
that.
some
Okay.
No.
Next, Hisham.
Stop it.
It is difficult to read a thick book.
A what book?
Okay? Hi, Tam. Enough.
No! Bro, I look like that dude from Freebie Pasta, remember? Like Slender Man? If this is what Slender Man feels like, bro, I feel sorry.
Okay. You, Hisham. Hi, Tam.
You look
He started walking now.
sumugod siya. Sumugod.
Wrong.
Yeah! Eat it now! Nice. How do you like it now?
That's abuse. Child abuse.
No.
You're 18.
The correct answer
And
is
I'm a minor.
nagsimula na siyang lumakad.
I know my rights.
Pauwi.
I know
You don't
my
have-
rights.
You
Nagsimula
don't have
na siyang...
rights.
Okay, this is a very easy one. Okay.
I'm so gonna put your face in that.
Why you hurt me so bad?
Bakit mo ako sinaktan ng
Bro, I swear I've heard.
Bakit-
I've heard
bakit
these
mo-
sentences in a movie before.
bakit mo ako sinaktan ng
Bro, you're not an actor. You are not one.
Bakit mo ako sinaktan ng...
madami?
Madami!
What madami? Okay, Hisham, yo.
Oh, my lips!
Why you hurt me
Damn.
so bad?
Ba't mo ako sinaktan ng masyado?
Okay.
Huh?
Why you hurt me so bad? Nang masyado, actually, it's not really the correct one.
Yeah, but I don't
But
care.
I'll give you...
A technical correct is the best kind of correct.
Yeah, because you're not really fluent in Tagalog. At least you did your best.
I'm learning
You're learning, yeah.
again. I'm
Okay.
learning again.
Next.
You gotta eat that powder. Next.
How many pieces of bread do you want to eat?
Kay ka
Hi, Tam.
Isham.
No.
You.
How
many pieces of bread do you want to eat?
You think
kailan?
Kailan! Let's go!
Kailan?
Yo, Hisham.
Why?
How many pieces of bread do you want to eat?
Does, wait, pieces. What's the Tagalog term for pieces? Ilan bang... Hindi portion.
You want ng porsyento. How many pieces of bread do you want to eat? 1,
Porción, no?
2. Wrong. It's
What?
already wrong.
What do you... You know what? I'm getting used to this.
Okay. Ilang pirasong tinapay ang gusto mong kainin?
Piraso!
Okay.
Piraso,
Okay. I'll give you like
Can I give you some presso?
piraso is pieces.
That doesn't make sense.
Okay.
Piraso.
Okay, this is very simple one. It's just like a piece. Okay. Open.
Open.
I never
Open?
thought...
Yeah.
I never
Tagalog
thought-
in open.
I never thought one
Just
word could be so
open.
hard.
Oh, one word. One word only. Open.
I've never thought one word could be so hard. Wait, doesn't open mean bukas?
Oh, very good.
Woo! Let's go!
Bukas means
No,
No, there's-
bukas.
there's like
Bukas is
multiple terms
tomorrow.
of
That is
bukas.
different. Different.
bukas means later.
No, bukas.
Bukas.
The way you pronounced it, it's bukas.
Bugas.
Oh, okay.
There's like it's like when you say over and over.
Okay. To listen.
Listen.
To listen?
Mm. Hisham. To listen.
Makinig.
Huh?
Okay, very good. You're improving, Hisham. Very good.
Huh?
Hi, Tom.
3 in a row. Let's go.
To find.
To find.
Yeah.
I'ma save you from the pain.
I said
Mag. Ha?
To find.
Hintay.
Hintay.
Wrong!
Nice.
To find, maghintay? Wrong!
Hintay means wait.
Hintay, wait! Oh, to find. It means to say,
Sa
to
paghanap.
find. No, to find, hanapin.
Anapin.
So, hanapin.
So close. Oh my god.
What's so close is very far.
Huh?
You look like your dad.
Switch!
Okay.
Magkamukha.
Magkamukha kayo sa iyong
Yung
ama.
Okay, consider. Okay, I will consider this
Wait,
one.
what is the actual how do you actually say it?
I gotta
Magkamukha
stop. I
kayo
gotta
ng
stop
iyong ama.
licking
Yeah,
my
it's
lip
correct.
so
It's
it
correct. No
it
problem.
doesn't stick on.
Okay,
It's
where
just
am
something
I
else.
supposed to go? Hisham.
Saan ba ako pupunta?
Kablo ko.
What do you
Ah,
mean?
Consider.
Ano
Consider.
may kablo ko. Saan ba dapat ako pupunta?
But it's okay. Saan dapat ako magpunta? That's the correct one. Where are
But
you
still.
going?
Where are you going?
Yeah, where are you going?
Saan ka ba pupunta?
Saan ka pupunta?
Okay, very good. Okay. You're improving now.
Yes, of course.
At
I
least
have
you're
a degree.
learning.
I have a self-proclaimed
It's not so
degree when it
shameful.
comes to the week.
At least now.
Medicine.
Okay.
What do you mean, Madison?
Medicine Blair. Medicine Blair.
Nasa bahay na ako.
Nice. It's already Tagalog. I already know the answer.
I don't know. It's English. Sorry. Okay.
Very nice.
What should I do now?
Ano ba gagawin ko ngayon?
Oh, wow, very good.
Damn.
Okay, hi Tom.
I'm so smart. Oh my god.
Okay. I'm proud of myself.
Yeah, I don't know what to Tagalog.
I-
I'm proud. You're screwed. You know
I'm
how
proud of
screwed
myself.
you are. Yes. Do you know how fucking screwed?
Do you know what
are?
does it mean? How?
I got a lot.
Okay.
Yes. We're gonna spread it. So like on the crop.
Okay. So no, don't fight. At least now you're improving a little bit. It's not
Yes,
like
I'm becoming
before.
smarter.
You're smarter in Tagalog. So what do you want to say? At least now you want to say goodbye to your
I learned
followers and for
First of all,
okay, what you gonna say to them?
First of all, Medicine Blair.
who's Madison Blair?
I don't know.
Exactly. First of all, I declare myself as a self-proclaimed person with a degree on Filipino culture.
Oh, please, diba?
With Filipino culture or whatever Wika stands for. I now relearned Korean.
No, I want you to
I
speak.
did not learn.
I want you
I
to.
did not learn
No,
anything today.
I want you to speak in Tagalog, like a pure, like
Yeah, of
a
course,
straight Tagalog. Like, did you enjoy the
Mahal
game?
ko kayo.
Wala akong masasabi.
Okay, what you will say?
Well,
Salamat. Like,
Cardi
you
B.
cannot say
Cardi B.
thank you in Tagalog.
salamat
Cardi B
ka.
be like,
Wait, no, it's Bisaya. How do you say? Salamat sa inyong pagkikinig sa amin ngayon.
Okay, hi Tom. You. What you gonna say? What you gonna say to your followers? in
Kirahin mo
Tagalog?
yung subscribe button at i-ring mo yung bell.
Yo, very good.
I know! I
I'm
learned
so
that.
jealous na
I learned that
Okay.
from
Your
the
kuya now is
Philippines.
learning Tagalog, yeah? That's why
Exactly.
we're doing to have this challenge most
No,
of the time. At least like you're learning.
I already
Ay,
have
Tam.
like zero dignity. I don't want to lose
You say
more.
something to your followers in Tagalog.
salamat. Salamat sa pag-subscribe and
At hindi at.
at
Sa pagsuporta
sa pagsuporta
At
sa akin.
sa akin
pagmamahal.
at pagmamahal.
Oh my God, I'm so shook.
Okay.
Mahal ko kayo.